Do you like numbers? Now, let's learn about numbers. Let's get to know number 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you did a great job. Now let's move on to the exercises. In the exercises, numbers will be given randomly. You have to guess the name of each number correctly. Well, let's get started. What's the name of this number? Time's up. 9. What's the name of this number? Time's up. 3. What's the name of this number? Time is up. 5. Awesome! You have done it well. Keep practicing with your teacher, friends, and family. See you.
Created using Powtoon.